beautiful location. So as I was heading down Highway 7, I found the Community Information Center, and I stopped in and I talked to the colleagues there. This area grew up really in the 1800s as a paper mill area. And you have this beautiful river with all of these falls coming down, and then this continues on basically out into the bay here. This area is known as Sheets Harbor, and really quite a cool area, really a beautiful area. I think I might fly my drone. I think this would be a good location to do that. So this is really cool here. I don't know if you can pick it up on the GoPro, but where those falls are, there's quite a bit of kind of fog and mist that's coming up off the river that really gives it a really cool look. All along the river, they've got this boardwalk that they've constructed here, which is really cool. All these beautiful wildflowers. Very nice, very cool. You can really feel that the river has just a lot of power. hope you've enjoyed this short drone adventure in Sheets Harbor, Nova Scotia. If so, please like and subscribe and leave me any comments. If you'd like to support my adventures, please buy me a coffee. Thank you.